Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how you can record shows in YouTube TV and then where you can find those recordings. So what we're going to do is launch the YouTube TV app. Once you're in YouTube TV, there's a couple of different ways we can go about doing this. If you know the name of the show that you'd like to record, it's really simple. We can go over here to the side to where that little magnifying glass is, and we can start typing in the name of the thing that you'd like to record. And let's say I wanted to record the show Pardon the Interruption. So I start typing it in, and it should show up here over in Top Picks. I can click on the show that I'd like to record. That brings us over to the show page, and what we can do here is click select on where it says add to library, and then you get a little check mark there, and it'll say added to library. So now it'll start recording this show. Another way that we can go about doing this is heading on over to the live tab, and as you're going through the live channels area, if you find a show that you'd like to record, we can select it. So let's say I want to record SpongeBob SquarePants, so I can just find any SpongeBob episode, click OK on it, and then click OK on where it says add to library. And if you click on an episode that's currently playing live, when you click OK on it, it'll just take you to the live channel, and that's not a big deal. What we can do is click the down arrow on our remote. That'll bring up this menu, and again, we can click on the down arrow, find this little plus icon, click OK on that. It'll give you a check mark, and it'll say that it has been added to your library and upcoming episodes will be recorded. So heading back to the home page, and to find those recorded episodes, we're going to go over to the library tab. And then in our library, in new to your library, this is where you should be able to find your recordings. So I can see I have Pardon the Interruption recordings here and SpongeBob recordings here. Two shows showing you examples on how you can add them to your library for your recordings. And then we can just click on the show, and then you can click on the episode that you'd like to watch at that point in time. So I hope this video is helpful going over how you can record shows in YouTube TV and then where you can find them. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.